Logican here, and welcome back to another video. This one's going to be a tutorial. We're going to show you how to download music and videos. It's going to be music for today and put them onto iMovie the easiest way possible. You can also download any video you want to play them offline. But first, before we start, you want to go to the App Store and search up Documents by Readdle and download that app. Then you want to go into and you also want the YouTube app, by the way, because it's easier on YouTube app rather than the website. Then you want to go into YouTube, get up a song that you want. I'm not going to choose that one. I like to search up NCS, which stands for no copyright sounds, which means you don't get copyrighted. And I'm going to download this video here, which is Hellcat by Desmian. Right, what you want to do is press the share button, and then go down and press copy link, and it says at the bottom copied. Then you want to go into documents and then go to this website, savefrom.net. I've already got something typed in here. And then you want to paste the link and press OK, and there you go. And then you want to press download. Then I'm gonna name it just quickly Hellcat by Desmian. You can name it whatever you want, by the way. Then I'm going to put it into my already ready-made file, music for YouTube. Press done. You can put it in whatever file you want. You don't have to name it a specific thing. Right, and then you wait for it to download here. It shouldn't take long. And then you want to go into music for YouTube and press the three dots right here on the video, on the thing, and press copy. Go into document, no, that's cloud, documents and photos, and press OK to this. And then go to the bottom and say copy to photos. Now copy. Then, if you look in your photos, you will see it's right here. Now, to get this into the video, what you want to do is go onto iMovie and create a new movie and select whatever video you want. I'm gonna select my really rubbish version of this tutorial. I tried to make it again on my iPad. Let's say I wanted music, I don't know, here, between here and the end of the thing. I would then go to where I cut it, which is somewhere. Is that it? No. 4 hours later. Ah, there it is. And then I'm going to hover over it and press the plus. Go to videos. Recently added. And click on the video and press the plus button. But as you can see, it's got the video as well in the middle of your video, which no one wants. So what you want to do, you want to go into sound here. I think it's, no, you just want to go into cut, the cut symbol here, which you can't see because of how bright my phone is. There you go, you should be able to see it now. No. But now, there we go, you can see it now. The cut symbol, and press detach, and that will detach the audio. So you can then, but before you want to delete the video, you want to drag the audio so it doesn't get deleted with the video. no one wants a really long music video running over their video. So what you want to do before you delete it is make sure that the cut, wherever it is, there, that's where the video ends, the music ends, so the music begins, sorry. So you want to drag that all the way to where the cut is and make sure it's lined up with that, and then what you want to do, click on it and press, where's the delete button? I've never done it on my phone. Delete, there we go. And there you go, you haven't got the video anymore, so if I play it, and then you want to make sure it's not overrunning. Go to the end of your video, line it up right on the end, press it and press it. You want to go near the end and press split because it won't let me, and then you want to delete the rest of it. I said you want to delete the rest of it, and there you go. You can shorten it as far as you want to shorten it. And that's going to be it for this tutorial. Thumbs up if you enjoyed. Also go vote in the comments down below if you want me to what out of these games you would like me to play on my channel next. I want to thank you all very much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, go watch my videos, stay safe and see ya. Like a Hellcat.